Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix or remove yellow triangle sign on C drive in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. For fix this problem, you need to go control panel. You can see here BitLocker drive encryption. Double click on BitLocker drive encryption. Click on turn on BitLocker. After clicking this, check your problem solved or not. If not, close this window. Go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Click on S. This command is available on my video description. Copy this command, paste here, then hit enter. After that, restart your PC, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix or remove yellow triangle sign on C drive in Windows 11 and 10 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.